KCC311. Professor Johnson. My name's Professor Johnson. There's me, face to the name. There's my contact information. Looking forward to a good term with you. Just a quick welcome video to get you oriented for our class. Some things we're going to see every week in our class. We have a weekly discussion board. If you have taken an online class in Kendall, here's our Blackboard page. You know about discussion boards. If not, here's a quick walkthrough. Down on the left-hand side of our page here, discussion boards, and you got these prompts right here. So right away, I can see we have 14 posts already. This is our week 1. Read the instructions. Click in here. If you've taken discussion boards before, you can create a thread. In this case, you're not allowed to. You have to just jump in there, start my thread, read somebody's post. Hey, Calvin, okay, thanks for writing. Hit reply, and then you can enter your own post right here. So that's the discussion board. That is a weekly part of our course, and please check how high the grade is. It's based on word count and the amount of participation in that thread. So that's an important part of our class. Along the line with discussion board, we have weekly reflections. That'll start week 2. You'll be reflecting on week 1 work, but both of those are all about participation, trying to stay involved with the class, not wait until Sunday night to complete things. All right, another part of our weekly routine in this course, comprehension check quizzes, back to Blackboard. If you go to course documents, most of our class lives there. Here's a week 1 folder. We'll have weekly folders opening up. When you open the folder, there's a little grid giving you a breakdown of the week's assignments and a general overview. But if you go down here, let's say types of variables. There's a little video, a little introduction to this topic, and underneath, this is a comprehension check quiz. It is graded, but you have up to 3 times to take it. So if you take it and don't score so well, go ahead and take it right again. So it's not a you need to get it right the first time. This, I don't want to say it's easy, but you have 3 chances to take it. That should be a solid grade for you through the week, through every week of our course. The last part of our grade, the last part of our weekly routine in the class, weekly assignment, homework. Back to course documents. If you go to course documents here, there's the grid, there's the overview, here's the topics, and down at the bottom, this digging in the data sandbox for week number 1. You click here, some videos, get acquainted with the topic, the data portal. You check the video, it'll show you exactly what you need to do, and then down here, this is what I'm looking for, this is how I grade you, and this is where you submit it. Every single week you'll have that. Description of the assignment, grading criteria, what am I looking for, and then here down here is where you submit it. It is a routine. You'll see that every week, so you shouldn't be saying, well, where's the assignment? You understand there's a routine for the course. So that's hopefully an overview of what we're going to be doing, but I also want to let you know, hey, you're not on it alone. Obviously, there's me. There's my contact information. I'm always willing to help, answer phone call, email about what's going on. Second thing, we have a class YouTube channel. This link is in Blackboard. That YouTube channel, I'll post lots of videos, lots of resources. Hopefully you can find stuff there. And if not, well, once again, back to me, emails. And the last thing is each other. If somebody posts something and say, wow, that's really neat, how'd you do that? Reach out to people. I'm trying to emphasize discussion boards, class reflections, because the more we participate one another, the better things go. If it's just me trying to solve all the math myself, that's not the best strategy. The more we participate, the more we collaborate, the more participation conversations, I think the better the experience is going to be. So keep those in mind, and I'm looking forward to the term. Any questions? Obviously, there's my info. Reach out. Welcome.